Hello guys, welcome to this video session. So today I want us to see how we can add a contact form like this one, where people can submit information and you should be able to receive the information on the email. So how do we do this? How can we do this? How can we create a form like this one? So I want to show you how to create a contact form like this one using a plugin we call Contact Form 7. So let's jump in. So the first thing is to create the form, but we need to have a plugin in order to do this. So let's head to dashboard. On the dashboard, you go to plugins. Now on the plugins, this is what you will do. Click add new on top there. On the add new, you can add contact form. Sure you have contact form 7. This is what we want to work with. Yes, contact form 7 looks like this. This is the logo. It is by Takayuki Miyoshi, 5+ million subscription. So mine is already active, so go ahead and install and activate the plugin. So once you activate it, you jump right away, you'll see an element called contact on the left here. So it is like this, contact. So now on the contact, I can click contact forms. That is where I start to create the form. Now initially you will have a form like this one, but we want to create a new one. So how do we create a new one? Click add new. Now importance of creating a new one, you can add whatever you want. So I'll call it sample form. Now by default, the plugin gives us a starting form like this one. So you can see we have your name, your email, subject, your message. So you can also make changes to this and remove what you don't want, and also add some things that you want. So I guess your name is okay, your email is okay, subject, message. So I think here we need to have a telephone number. Let's add telephone. So on the telephone, look for these elements here. Choose TEL, telephone. Then of course choose required. Here on the name, I can edit. I can want it. This is anything that will appear now as an ID on the bottom here. So watch out when I make a change to this and I click on the outside T, it highlights itself on the bottom here, TEL. So it is the form, it takes the form ID. So we don't want that. I just want no more TEL, tel. So that's it. I'll just click insert. Now keep in mind we had not chosen a location to add this. So I will delete it and start all over again so that I show you how to add it. So you have to ask yourself, where do you want to add this? So maybe after email, so that is where I want to add it. So now I want to add it there. So I'll choose again TEL, required till, okay, then insert. So now we have it like this, but check the way others are appearing. So you see for the name you have label, it is enclosed inside label tag. These are HTML tags. Go ahead and check our other videos and also check W3 schools. They teach more about HTML and web development. So the label, it has a opening tag and a closing tag. This is identical for all the fields. These are called input fields in web development. So we want to also add our input field here. We can type it label, then we close it. Then after on the end, we also put a closing tag of label. Now I want also to give this to start on a new line. Then here I can write your mobile. So I can also edit to be mobile, then here to be just email, then this one to be name, then here to be message. Then I will not, I don't want this optional to be here, so optional. Then we will have a submit button. So I think I'm satisfied with this, so I'll go ahead and save it. I'll save it. So once we save this form, we want this form now to appear on our site. Let me duplicate this tab so that we can use one to go to the home page. So this one we can use it to view our site. So on this form, you decide where do you want to add this form. In most cases, it should be on the contact us page. So let's go to contact us page. Now we see we have a form here. So on this, I will choose edit with Elementor on this page. There's something called shortcode, and you can see here it is telling you copy this shortcode and paste it into your post page text widget content. So now we have created the form, but how will the form appear on our website? So this is what you do. You come here, you copy this shortcode, you just click once, it will highlight itself and you can be able to copy. So now I have copied. You copy. Now on the other tab that I'm using to access my site, I will remove the form that is there, and then I will choose this add section of Elementor here, click plus button, choose this. Now on this plus, I can search here shortcode because I have copied shortcode, so I need to add shortcode. So drag the shortcode there. Now remember, there is a code you had copied from your contact section here. We copied this shortcode. We copy again so that you can see. So now I want to come here and paste this shortcode. I'll paste, and now we will see the form with the fields that we worked on. So we have name, email, mobile, subject, message, and then the submit button. So I can go ahead and update. Then we go back and refresh. So this is the old form. Let me refresh. So now we have the form well organized. We have name, email, we have mobile, subject and message, and submit. Very easy. So people will be able to submit their details here for any inquiries they might have on your services. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end. That's it for today. Consider subscribing and ensure you like this video so that more people can see how to add a form inside their website using WordPress. So thank you so much.